Today on Southern Gardening, we're in Meridian, Mississippi, visiting Wanda McBride, whose backyard fig tree is nothing short of a treasure. This impressive tree provides a bountiful crop of large golden figs each year. Wanda's fig tree is the star of her garden, being reliably productive and beautifully shaped. The fruit is substantial in size, with a golden bronze skin that blushes slightly when fully ripe. When you split one open, you'll find a rich amber-colored flesh with a sweet honey-like flavor. It's perfect for eating fresh, making preserves, or even baking into cakes and cookies. Figs thrive in warm southern climates and love full sun and well-drained soil. This tree gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day, which helps it produce such sweet and abundant fruit. One thing to watch out for during fig season is competition from birds, squirrels, and raccoons. Wanda has had great success using lightweight garden netting to protect her crop. Using bird netting can make all the difference if you're trying to preserve your harvest. Just be sure it's loose enough to allow air circulation, but tight enough to prevent small animals from getting tangled or sneaking underneath. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, a fig tree like Wanda's can be a rewarding addition to your landscape. For more information about figs and recommended varieties, visit our website at extension.msstate.edu. I'm Eddie Smith. I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.